We are in interior design stage in this home renovation project that is located in Uttarahalli, Bangalore. After major structural changes which involves expert civil renovation is complete, interior designing gets started. Let me take you through interior design process. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. Interior design at Inkstone Infra is a combination of factory-made units and handcrafted designs. Units like modular kitchen, wardrobes and storage units gets manufactured in factory and gets assembled here. Customized units like TV unit, designer partitions, etc. gets designed in the site. Here we are installing the modular kitchen and storage units in the dining area and study table that are factory made getting assembled here. TV unit and designer partition is getting handcrafted in the site. For home renovation in Bangalore, call us today. For updates on this project and for more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.